Hey guys, it's me, Anna, and I'm not here with Andy again. I'm not here with a different friends today, but today I am, instead of doing like other videos like Never Have I Ever, and the dancing challenge, or the 3 marker challenge, or the blah 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 blah. I am right now I'm not making a cooking video yet. Well, technically this is a cooking video, but making a dessert video for kids. And I actually learned this recipe by myself. And me and my dad made some for the neighbors. And wow, I'm such a chatterbox. Let's just get started. Okay, so first we need some dark chocolate, which I got. Let's open it. Wow, I didn't need to go crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to reopen, oh wait, silly me, I forgot the ingredients. So first, you need some coconut shreds. Well, these are just coconut things. I'm telling you, you don't need this. I'm just making some more flavors, but you don't need it. Second, you need a bowl. It could be any type of bowl, except I'm using this one. And you could use a spoon or chopstick if you have one. And I'm bringing some candy melts because my dad gave this to me, and I think they taste good. And these are they're not heart-shaped, guys. I'll show you what they look like. This is what they look like. Well, they're not actually like this, but some of them are stuck together. Yeah. I took a shredder thing because, like, when I take a coconut, I can shred it for some flavor. Okay, Okay, now let's just get started. I'll tell you guys what's this for in the end. Or you guys can just read it. So, guys, I have my chocolate. So the first thing you want to do is break it up. I have Lindy. I'm so weak. I hope this is okay. Yeah, I did it! Okay, no dance party for today. We are cooking. We're making desserts. I know I'm disgusting. Well, perfect. I'm gonna throw this away, guys. And so now you microwave it for like 2 minutes. It sounds a lot. So, darn it, I need another bowl. Darn it. Oh no! I forgot to add some candy milk. You guys actually don't really need just candy milk, but you guys can use others. I'll eat some. Two minutes will be fine. I hope it doesn't spill. Ah! I need a bigger bowl. Ow. Should I use this? Okay, my dad agreed. He said yes. Probably I'm eating these. This should be good. Really? There's still melted chocolate I ruined. Well, I'm back. Since I have now an extra one, I'm just gonna open this. Yo, director, can you open this? Do you know how to open it? Thanks. Wait, I guess that's new. Wow, I'm surprised. I don't know why. So you just keep scraping on this thing. And since it's gonna take a long time. Oh, sorry guys. My dad decided to just continue the video. He's so foolish. But I love him anyway. I should stop shredding. I don't want any viewers to get bored. Guys, it's 20 seconds left. Oh, guys, I should tell you this right now. As you know, if some of you read the cover, I'm gonna open. These are gummy vitamins. Lost the other one. That'll be fine. Let's see if it's cooked. Oh, it's cooked. It must be hot. I know there's some gloves. Oh, wait. These are gummy vitamins. They're for childs. They're vitamins and gummies. And I have another vitamin, but except it's vitamin C. And guys, use some very thick gloves to handle this because this is hot. Goodbye for now. Talking to the gloves. Don't leave, please. Please. Okay. I'll just keep this here. We don't need it. Well, probably later we do. So, you guys may think I'm disgusting. Sorry. And if you could, please, God, please don't be angry at me. But actually, you know what? You don't need this since, you guys should have it, but I don't because now it's stuck to the chocolate. So just add a few more chocolate coconut shreds, and it's gonna be quick, guys. Yeah. Okay then. Not much coconut shreds. Now we'll continue mixing. Guys, I'm telling you, it's hot. Guys, don't leave the video. I'm over here if you guys can't see me. I'm just gonna get tissue and give me 10 Mississippis. Okay guys, I guess I'm faster than 10 Mississippis, maybe. If you guys actually did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's alright though. Okay. We'll use this after. Salute. Goodbye. Okay, guys. You're kidding me right now. I forgot to add the strawberries. Well, guess I'll have to get strawberry from the fridge. Donut. Too lazy to put it back. I'm not always lazy. I'm usually okay. I'm lazy always, but not always. We're gonna skip this part because we don't want to waste any viewers' time. Yeah, so we're gonna skip this part. 3, 2, 1, skip! And I'm back. So I got the strawberries ready. I put it away, even though I said I was too lazy. Yeah. I changed my mind a lot. Don't mind me. So the next thing to do is you have to take all these leaves off. But I'm gonna do it after. Then after you dip it in the chocolate. I need the bowl. I keep forgetting everything, guys. This is not going well for me. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Okay, so you dip the chocolate in. And after you squiggle it around. Why did you give me an orange for?
Put on orange.
Oh. Well, you guys can make, then you guys put it on top of the plate. And guys, I once made it when there was friends come over. And when I made this and it got dried out, I insisted that they eat some. When it dries on the plate, it's gonna get stuck, guys. So the chocolate may fall off, but then and it may get stuck on the plate. And yeah, we just washed it. Then after you keep dipping it, half of it, and yeah. And you continue doing it until you're done. And I'm also gonna skip this in 3, 2, 1, skip! And I'm back. And after, guys, I made a little loop around, as you can see. And I put the biggest strawberry in the middle. And now it's time for the decorations, my favorite part. These are my favorite decorations. So, what should the decorations be? Right, some mint candy melts. I'm going to do a handful. And if you guys actually do have this, you can add as much as you want. Yeah, sorry guys, we skipped that part. We found out what it is. It's that thing. Can I say it, Daddy?
Yeah, the microphone.
Yeah, it's a microphone. That's the sound. And if you have lots of leftover chocolate, I don't know what to do. Just get some more strawberries, make 10 more, 100 more plates. If you have 100 friends. And, oh wait guys, also you add two pinches or less of sugar around. Like it doesn't need to be this much, but it could usually be 1 pinch. But if you don't like the taste, best to add 2 pinches. Now after, I'm gonna add some gummy bites. Not the full thing though. Get out! Yay, one got out! Okay, this is going to take... This is the show for it. Da-na-na, da-na-na, da. Ah! Da-na-na, da-na. This is not helping at all. Well, the chopstick's not helping at all. Yeah, so right now they're getting stuck together. Yeah, that's the problem. And guys, since this is like so big, and I ate lots of it really quick, and this is like what it looks like from the back now. And if I turn it this way, this is what it looks like. Waka waka. It's like saying waka 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 waka. Okay, so I won't need this anymore. And I won't need this, but I'll put it away later. Now I won't need these strawberry thingamabobs. Now, keep getting gummy bites out. These should be the last two for me. I'm getting tired. Yeah. And also guys, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, then I insist you to go watch those. And after, also like those videos if you like them, I hope. And there's this other one called Baby Phone Call, which is me and a baby when I was a baby. And yeah. Well, I'm just gonna put away this and I'll end the video there. I'll put away after. I'll just put away this. Well guys, if you guys like this video, put a big thumbs up and please subscribe. So yeah. So please subscribe. So I can probably make more videos. And also the one you maybe saw is Anna's room. There's lots of skips because my dad did it. Unless it was me who did it, because I was messing with the camera. Okay, well guys, this is the end of the video. Well, bye, see you next time.